This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Chavez. Great home on .62 air conditioner lot in Barco. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, open floor plan with cathedral ceilings. Newer flooring throughout main living area. Cozy wood burning fireplace with stone surround. Separate dining room with built-in hutch and dry bar. Kitchen has pantry and room for stools at the counter. Large primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom, with soaker tub, separate shower and walk-in closet. All appliances convey. Relax and entertain on the screened-in porch in the back of the home. Screen porch has new screens, new roof, and new steps leading to the fully fenced backyard. Oversized 18x21 detached garage/workshop with power and cable. Shelving and refrigerator in garage convey. Beautiful flowering bushes throughout the property. Seller offering a home warranty plan. Home located close to schools, park and county services. 20 minutes to Elizabeth City, North Carolina, 30 minutes to OBX, easy commute to VA line. Open house.